Before you came, I tried to look busy, but I felt like nobody saw me. Hi! Do you want to play with us? We have room for one more friend.
The arcade is full of lights, games, and happy voices, but one boy feels very quiet inside.
I got tickets again, but it does not feel exciting when no one is here to smile with me. That game needs 2 players. I can play one side, but the other side is always empty. Maybe if I win more tickets, this day will feel better, but I do not think tickets can talk. They already look happy together. I do not want to bother them. I can pretend I am having fun, but my heart knows I am only pretending. This place is huge! I can hear so many games, and I want to try all of them.
We can play many games today, but we stay together, we take turns, and we play kindly.
Jace, look at the racing game. Come on, we can drive together and try not to crash.
Thomas does not know their names, but he can see something he wants. Someone to play with.
Mya, we are a team. If I go too fast, please save us with your smart driving. They laugh like the game is really alive. My game feels quiet, even with all these sounds.
That boy keeps looking over here. He may want to join, but he looks too shy to ask.
Sometimes a child does not need a big thing. He only needs someone to notice him.
Jace, that boy is alone. He keeps watching us, but he looks sad, not excited. He is in a fun place, but he does not look like he is having fun at all.
You can ask him kindly. A small hello can make a lonely day feel different.
There is a game with 3 spots over there. Maybe your team can become bigger today.
Let's walk slowly and smile. We want him to feel safe, not surprised. Hi, I am Jace. Do you want to play with us? We have room for one more friend. Me? You want me to play with you? I thought you were only playing with your family. You can play with us too. A game is better when nobody has to stand alone. I want to join, but I am not very good at games with other people. That is okay. We are not here to be perfect. We are here to have fun together.
Hi, Thomas. You can join us if you want, and we will all take turns.
My name is Thomas. I feel nervous, but I really want to play with you.
Let's start with an easy game. New friends can begin with small steps.
Thomas, you can go first. We will cheer for you, not laugh at you. It feels strange to go first, but it also feels nice that you trust me.
I missed it. I knew I might miss it, and now I feel a little silly.
That was still a good try. Try again, and this time aim a little higher. Bend your knees, look at the basket, and throw like you are sending a small star.
I did it! I really did it! I thought I could not, but I did it!
Winning feels good, but hearing friends cheer feels even better.
That is teamwork. One person throws, but everyone can cheer.
Let's try this color game next. It is fast, but we can say the colors together. This one looks hard. I may press the wrong color and make the score go down. Red means press, blue means wait, and green means smile because you are doing fine. Yeah! Red, wait, green, red. I can follow it when you help me stay calm. You learned so fast, Thomas. You did not stop when it felt hard. When I played alone, I stopped quickly. With you, I want to keep trying.
Good friends help you try again when you feel scared.
Thomas, you can drive in the middle. Maya and I will stay close to you on the screen. I never raced with friends before. I always drove by myself, so this feels new.
Seatbelts first, racers. Fun is better when everyone feels safe.
I will slow down a little. We can finish close together, not far apart. Turn slowly now. Good, Thomas. You stayed on the road and kept going. I was not first, but I was not alone. That feels like winning to me.
A racing game just taught us something sweet. That is a nice surprise.
Let's drink some water. Happy players also need quiet minutes.
Before you came, I tried to look busy, but I felt like nobody saw me. I am sorry you felt that way. I saw you, and I am glad we asked you to join. You do not have to hide a sad face from us. Sad feelings are okay. I wanted to say hello to someone, but I was afraid they would say no.
I know. Saying hello can feel hard, but it can also start a good day.
You can hold the team tickets now, because you are part of our team. Nobody ever gave me the team tickets before. I feel trusted. This game looks silly, but silly can be good when your heart feels heavy. I do not dance in front of people. My feet forget what feet are for.
Then watch me first. I am very bad, so nobody has to feel embarrassed now.
That was not perfect, but it was happy. I think happy counts.
Left, right, step, stop. We can go slowly first and laugh if we miss. My score is low, but my smile is high. I think that is still a win. I missed too. Now the game knows we are all learning. I like this. I can be silly here, and nobody makes me feel bad. This one is hard for me. I forget the colors when they move too fast. It is okay, Jace. You helped me before, so now I can help you remember. One mistake is fine. Try again, and I will say the colors slowly. Thomas, you helped me win that round. Now you are cheering for me too. I like helping friends. It makes me feel like I really belong here. Can we try that game next? It has 3 places, and I want to play it with you. Yes. You picked the next game, Thomas. That is what team friends do. Jace can take the left side, I can take the right side, and Thomas can take the middle. You helped my side. Thank you, Thomas. That was quick and kind. That blue bear looks quiet. It reminds me of how I felt when I came in. You should try for it. Maybe that bear can remember your brave day with you. Move slowly, stop above the bear, and breathe before you press the button. I missed it, but I do not want to stop. I feel brave enough to try again.
Try once more if you want. I like how calm you are staying.
I got it. I want to call him Brave Bear because today I felt brave too. Brave Bear is a perfect name because you did many brave things today. That corner does not look so sad now because I am not stuck there anymore.
You look happier now, Thomas. I am really glad we met you today.
Now let's choose a prize that belongs to all of us, not just one person. I do not need the biggest prize. I want something that helps us remember this day. Can we choose 3 small bracelets? Then we can all remember that we played together. That is a great idea. A big toy is nice, but a team memory is better. Now we have team bracelets. When we see them, we can remember to include others. I will keep this. It will remind me that someone asked me to join. Tom? Look! I made friends today, and we played so many games together. I was scared at first, but Jace and Mya asked me to play with them.
Thank you for being kind to him. He looks so happy now.
I think that kid may feel like I felt before. Can we ask them to play too? Hi! Do you want to play with us? We have room for one more friend.
One kind question changed Thomas's day, and now Thomas knows how to share that kindness.